Hello everyone, I'm Masood from Masood Structural Studio. After create Windows form child, we set properties that consist of name, font, and color for this Windows form plugin. And then we set form and color. After that, we run this plugin and we insert panel and then insert label, and this label called H, height of a structure, and we select text box and in front of height of a structure. You must create the type of a structure and frame system in X direction and Y direction. And then after set its properties, we copy this panel and paste and change the label of new panel. For example, this first and second label are about seismic static load and seismic spectrum load, and in the below of this label we insert checklist for this panel. We need checklist for when we run this plugin and when this plugin connected to our model, we can get all of the load case and select the seismic load case. We run and check.